So we've got Mike's gearbox out of this 130. How many thousand kilometers?
368,000. It's the first engine.
Original.
The first gearbox, the first transmission gearbox. Always the first.
Transfer case.
Transfer case,
Yeah.
sorry.
Otherwise we get all mixed up, won't we? So what we're going to do is going to pull it to bits and see how it fared after all those kilometres. Not with that one, we're not. Right, so we're going to. I'll probably just speed this bit up because it might take a little bit of time, and then we'll just slow down the good bits. That's what I usually do. Oh, goodness. I think you've got good value out of that. Look at the state of that in there, man. It's like tar.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
I tell you what. I'm looking forward to see what the strainer's like inside. That must be bad. I'll put the bolts back in. Now one of the things that a lot of you guys know who've watched this channel is that getting the rear ring off this here can be a pain in the ass, because I bought the special tools to get it off with. So we'll put that here and we'll get set up. 15/16 solid. Two cups. There we go. Yep. Like that. And now tight, really tight.
Whoa, yeah, really.
And no room to pry it off. So, you know, that was an expensive piece of kit. It's taken hundreds of, and this is the tool to put it back on with.
Yeah, okay.
This is the one to put it back on with. So with that off, now we can take off these bolts on the outside, and I should have a special socket to get that off with. Oh, wait a minute, before we do that, we're going to get this in neutral and take out the grub screw. Here, there's a little screw just in here. Loctite. If you don't warm them up,
yeah,
and there's Loctite on it, it strips the grub screw,
yeah,
and then they're a bitch to get to part. Right, let's have a little hammer. That's good. This one. This one. It's not very tight, eh?
huh?
They're all loose, look. Yeah, I thought they would have been a bit... Mind you, I suppose it's better than being rusty. It doesn't take very long to... Ow! Oh, that was hot. Right, 10 mil. It's already out. Here, here. For some reason, I don't understand why, they put spline heads on this side and hex heads at the bottom too. Well, why didn't they do one the same? And that's why that's got a hole there, so you can get in and get this bolt out. There. Now there's two more. Now what have we got? Is it lunchtime? We're on film. What have we got here? Oh, pancakes!
Pancakes.
Well, will they wait a minute?
Yes, they can wait.
Okay, because we're getting to the exciting bit.
I bring it outside
Yeah.
because inside he's smelling.
I'll tell you what, we can go on the balcony through my house, at the back of the house.
Okay.
It'd be nice.
That's good.
Very good, eh? Very good.
Do you need wood blocks?
No,
On it?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to take that screw out there. It's been about a year since I've done one of these. Available in the shops, by the way. It's still available. I'm going to give you one of those.
Okay.
The most invaluable tool. You always need one. Did you see any teeth come out? Well, there's the strainer. Oh, look, it's clean.
Yeah.
I expected that to be full of debris. It's very burnt inside, eh?
Yeah.
I'm quite surprised it's held up. So what, you said there was metal come out of this?
Yes. There was just like a blob like this on the
Alright.
magnet.
Hope it's not from something expensive. Probably is. Now I need a screw, airline. Oh. Where did I put that little bloke on?
Here
No,
is
there's one
one.
there, but there's one with a narrow point on it. That there is it. Torques. The one thing I hate is torques, especially on when these get rusty.
Yeah.
They're so easy to strip. That first time, eh? Right, that's that. I'll put it back in the box. Now the next thing, we've got to strip down all this mechanism here. So that means using our puller again. Use this again. So goes onto there. That's it. Yeah, we got the thick bit. That's it. That's it. That's an easy one to do.
Yes,
That's
it's
an
easy.
one.
Yeah.
This one, interesting to get off. Oh. Ta-da. That's why I always keep those there. Next we have to get that off. It's been Left over. Deep socket. Don't do these all the time, but so you tend to forget them. A cloth. This is going to go. Just to stop the gears banging. Good.
Oh yeah.
Take it. Just a second. Now, these can come off. This should come off. Split rings come off. Gear. A little bit more, not too bad. They're in. Oh, just broke that one, so we've got some spares there, because that's what they do. Circlip pliers. That's it. Garbage. Shouldn't put the old ones back.
Yes.
Right. So you can see, because like I say, we're just running out of room. This was only to get a look at the. What oil did you put in this?
1890.
It's a little bit thick for a 300 TD, for an R380. A little bit thick. Now, remember there was a grub screw in there. There's all the Synchro falling about, but that doesn't matter. As long as we've got the bits. There goes another piece. Should be 3 of those little slippers. Where did the other one go? Doesn't matter. We'll work that out later. Mustn't lose that shim.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little shim just in there, don't lose that. Right. That's that, that's that, that's that. Wonder where that one is. Piece 1, 2. Oh, there it is. Doesn't matter about that. Right, so we should be able to completely take this apart and see what's inside. If we can get it off the dowels. Yeah, it's on there. It's tight on that dowel. Wait a minute. Get it square.
Yep.
I hope this isn't another Land Rover.
Yeah.
And there we have our gearbox. Now we don't want to take that apart yet. Because that will just go ping. Right, do you want to lift that cover? Hold on. Leave that because it'll go ping. Want it to go ping. That's it. There's the ball. There's the other ball. This is good. Shim. Bearing and shim. Shaft. You know, I don't know where that metal's come from. I can't see anything. It looks okay. Burnt, but there's no teeth missing. Odd. Yeah, there's nothing in the bottom.
But the main shaft was.
Oh, the main shaft was all over the place. Well, anyway, that's that. What we'll do, we'll put this just in the parts washer and let it wash off, but we'll have to go and get our pancakes, otherwise we'll be in trouble.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Back soon.